Yes, in the next 2 minutes, you can absolutely increase the views to your videos easily. I mean, if you can press the right buttons, move some things around on your YouTube channel, you can most certainly increase the views to your videos. Even better, follow along and don't miss any steps in this video, and you'll also trigger the algorithm, which will increase the views. This is something I've seen again and again and again. When a video gets views and viewers respond, amazing things happen on YouTube. Oh, and by the way, this is video number 3 in a series for small creators, helping them to blow up. If that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. Let's jump in. I'm super excited to share this with you. Sure, being consistent on YouTube can help you to increase the views to your videos, but it's much more powerful to be intentional and to watch a few simple analytics on your YouTube dashboard that helps you gauge how well your video is doing, and then sharing and promoting and linking to the right video, which increases its views. And my goal with every video I publish is to land in the top 3 of my most recent videos published. And when I do that, it tells me that viewers are responding. See, that's one of the things you want to do, is you want to pay attention to how well your video is performing, and then double down and link out and promote the videos, again, that do better. And this is a great example. My most recent video jumped to number 3 and then made it to number 2. Fantastic. And I mentioned that this video is part of a playlist, and the playlist is all about how you can increase your views with nobody's help. But here's where it gets really fantastic. You see, when you follow this playlist and the steps I lay out, not only will you get more views to your own videos, but you'll set yourself up to be shared by a bigger YouTuber. You'll set yourself up to get noticed by a brand, so you can do the brand deals and you can make money. And fact of the matter is, the community tab is so powerful, and it makes it easy for big channels to share your videos. And even better, you can leverage your own community tab to, again, increase your views. And one of the things that you can do to increase your views easily is to publish your video when more viewers are on YouTube. Now, you can see this graph here that I know my viewers are often on YouTube in the morning, 6 a.m. East Coast, especially on the weekends. Sunday is a great day for my channel. Now, the thing I want you to think about, you might be like, that information hasn't even populated on my channel. Do this. If you're targeting an audience in the United States, in North America, publish early on Saturday, on Sunday, on weekends. Try a video out on Monday morning. Try a video out on Wednesday afternoon. Early, you want to test different times, but I can tell you right now, Sunday morning early does really well. Good news and bad news about this when your YouTube viewers are on YouTube. This isn't going to be the thing that drives you 1 million views to the next video you publish, but the small things that you can do, that you can stack on top of each other, and this is just one of many, will absolutely dramatically increase your views. Let's jump into some more. Another really simple thing that you can do in seconds is to leverage the power of emotion. Think about the video you want to create, and then think about the emotion you want to evoke with your viewers. Is this information that's going to make them mad, sad? Is it positive? Is it negative? The more you can think about this, the more likely you're going to trigger emotions and people are going to click, which is a view. Easy. Next up is some simple video linking and moving your channel around to push viewers to the videos that make the most sense. Think about this, depending on your channel, where you're at, viewers are gonna visit your channel. When they find and watch a video you publish, some of them are gonna be like, I wanna know more about this channel. They're gonna click on your channel name and they're gonna land on your channel page. You can do so many things with your channel page to ensure you get more views to the right videos. Consider this. When you publish a video, when you see more green, in other words, the CTR has a green metric, your average view duration has a green metric. When you see these things lighting up, then you know your viewers are responding. When the video lands in the top 3, like I mentioned, your viewers are responding, and then I recommend that you do this. Leverage the power of your channel trailer. Now, back in the day, we would make a video just to welcome new viewers, but I don't think it makes sense to do that. I don't think you want to waste people's time to tell them about your channel. Instead, I think it makes a lot more sense to think about one topic in one specific niche and then to go deep. That's what this playlist is about. And then when you find a video that's doing really well, it's getting more views, it's getting more viewers subscribing, then put that video in the channel trailer location. And that way, when new viewers come in, the video that's going to play is a video that viewers have deemed worthy. So the video that I just traded out has done really well. It landed #2 in my most recent videos. So now I'm going to drive even more views to that video. And furthermore, I also am creating a new playlist for 2023, and I'm structuring that playlist at the very top of my channel. I want to push viewers to the videos I know are doing well, and this is a great way to do just that. And we're not done. There's more ways that you can easily increase the views. You've got the community tab now, or you will soon. The community tab's being pushed out to lots of creators. So when you see a video's doing good, don't be afraid to share it the following day or later in the afternoon. You publish early in the morning. If it's doing well 3-4 hours later, share it and say something like this: "Thanks for the great feedback on my latest video. It's #2 in the last 10 video metrics, and it's the first video in a new series." Bonus tip: one of the things you can do is leverage playlists combined with end screens to tell viewers to watch the entire playlist, just like I'm going to do in a few seconds. This is really powerful when the first video in the playlist series does really well. But there are more things that you can do to absolutely increase the views to your videos. Next, share your video on social sites like Facebook, Twitter, or whatever social sites you leverage. Now this next tip, so powerful. In fact, I was able to get an additional 600 views to my channel, and all I did was create a short. It took me about 15 or 20 minutes because I've done it a few times. I published the short, and at the end, I linked to the video I was promoting. And furthermore, I got 2 extra subscribers. So powerful and so easy. Next, the thing you want to do is to check out this video right here. Super powerful strategies to help you increase the views to your channel, as well as the next video you publish. I'll see you there. You dig?